Hello guys, it's Martin here from Blackpool Automart. A very sunny Blackpool Automart, may I say, which is great. Okay, lovely 65 plate Range Rover Evoque, just into stock. Stunning car with its black gloss wheels, black painted mirror tops, and the window tints at the back. Looks really, really well. 2015. Just pan around it for you so you can see. It's got reverse camera, it's got heated seats, it's got leather, it's got nav. Yeah, it's pretty much got it all actually. This car, it's got quite a lot of good spec. I think it's got cruise control as well. It's the Evoque HSE TD4. HSE being very, very high spec in the Land Rover world. There you go, you can drop the back seats down if you wish. Doesn't have electric tailgate, oh dear. But gorgeous alloy wheels, to be fair. Nice and diamond, not diamond cut, but they are a gloss black finish, which is nice. I'll show you inside the cabin. There you go. Yes, it does have cruise control. I can see it there on the steering wheel. Can you see it? Sorry, it's a bit blurred. There you go. Back in the room. It's got electric seats as well, and they are heated too, which is good. Not for this type of weather, but very worthwhile in the colder months. Meridian speaker system, which is renowned for being very, very good. 3 speakers in this door panel. 1, 2, 3. How good's that? It's got memory seats as well, so if different people jump in it, press a button and it sets it to their settings. Electric windows, electric mirrors. We'll just hop in the car. It's automatic, as you probably know already. Heated seats, as you can see down here. I'll start the car up. Just push button start, and the seat starts to move into the position it's been set to on here. Bluetooth, obviously. There's your phone answering. Car's done 45,000 miles, as you can see there at the bottom, which is good. And there's your Bluetooth and your sat nav. Not sure what's going on with the radio. Just give me 1 second. Oh yeah, it's all that. Radio's all working. Just came up with nothing then for a minute, but anyway, it's sorted. So it's got DAB as well. It's got a frost-free front windscreen on this. They have metal in the heater element. You probably can't see that, but it does. They do on Land Rovers and Fords and Jaguars. That's the button for it just there, and that's for your rear one. And it dissolves ice within seconds when you switch that on, so it's fantastic. You don't need to start scraping your windscreen in winter with a bloody credit card like I tend to do. So yeah, all in all, she's a lovely, lovely car. No rips or tears to any of the seats or anything. The leather's all very, very good. The back seat's got the Isofix fixings for kiddie seats at the bottom. Headrests are in place. They don't even look like they've been sat in. And the piece de la resistance is this massive glass panoramic roof. It does have a sun blind as well. It doesn't open the roof, it's just a glass roof, but by God does it let some light in. And if you don't want it to let light in or heat, you can just shut it with the blind. There you go, little button just there. Press it once and off she goes. But it does let a hell of a lot of light in when it's open. It probably lets a lot of heat in as well in summer, so probably a good point to have that shut in summer. It's got a centre armrest there with a couple of USBs inside. Obviously it's got aircon, which is a godsend in this weather. Right, we'll just finish off outside. I'll just tell you a bit about the car outside and the company, sorry. We're part of a company called the Cox Motor Group. We have 16 dealers across the northwest of the UK, including Volkswagen dealer, Mitsubishi dealers, a lot of Honda dealers and a lot of Seat dealers. As you can see here, that's our Blackpool Seat dealer there just next door to us. There's our Honda bikes, huge dealer, and across the road our flagship Blackpool Honda dealership. Our workshops are there next door, and over there is our valet bays, our body shop, and our Seat valet bays and Seat workshops are over there, and our huge body shop there is in the distance. So everything can be done on site that needs doing to any of our cars. Any little dings, any little scratches, we can attend to them on site. It's got front parking sensors as well, this car. I can just see that there, which is good. So yeah, like I said to you earlier, it's got fantastic spec, this vehicle, with its glass roof and its nav, its DAB radio, its 3 speakers in each panel. It's just a lovely car, priced right, and they're great sellers. They are really good sellers at the moment, so I don't envisage this being here too long, to be quite honest with you. We do offer a delivery service as well with all our cars, and it's free of charge, so that you might be able to take advantage of that. It is UK mainland only at the moment, unfortunately. Or you can click and collect, you can come here. We are open to the general public to come here now, but we are doing much more online, and much more people every day want the cars delivering to them. We are trusted. You know, if the car's not right when it's delivered to you for whatever reason, you just reject the vehicle. It's as simple as that. And if you want to hold this car or reserve it, subject to you looking at it, subject to you making sure it's right, it's the only one we have. You can go onto our website, which is coxmotorgroup.com, find the car, click the reservation button. I think it's only £100, and it takes the car off sale and it stops anyone else purchasing it. And then at your leisure, you can give me a ring, you can come down and view it and road test it. And like I said to you, if it's not right, if it's not for you, we give you your deposit back. It's as simple as that. Okay, no quibble. So there you go, that's the car, the Range Rover Evoque. It's on a 65 plate, which means it's a 2015. It's got lovely miles at 45. Cracking history as well, this car's got. Majority of it's from Land Rover. It won't be here long. We've priced it very aggressively. We don't like to sit on our cars too long. We will take a part exchanging as well, and even if it's got finance on it, we will settle that for you. There is no problem, and we do offer fantastic finance rates here at Blackpool Automart. Anyway, there you go. My name is Martin. I'm the sales manager here at Blackpool Automart. It's been my pleasure to bring you this lovely Evoque today. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and hopefully we'll see you here at Automart in the not too distant future. Bye for now. Bye bye.